In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a contact in Xero step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old customer records, removing duplicate suppliers, or just organizing your contact list, this quick tutorial will walk you through the correct way to do it. Stick around until the end so you don't miss an important detail about how contact deletion actually works in Xero. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several options like Business, Accounting, Payroll, Projects, and Contacts. To delete a contact, click on Contacts in the top menu. After clicking Contacts, you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select All Contacts. This will open the full list of customers and suppliers that are currently saved in your Xero account. Now you'll be on the Contacts list page. Take a moment to scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific contact you want to remove. If you have a long list, the search function can save you a lot of time. Simply type the name of the contact and Xero will filter the results instantly. Once you've located the contact you want to delete, look to the left of their name. You'll see a small checkbox next to the contact entry. Click the checkbox to select that contact. When you do this, you'll notice that new options appear at the top of the list. One important thing to understand is that in Xero, you don't permanently delete contacts in most cases. Instead, you archive them. Archiving removes the contact from your active list, but keeps historical records intact for reporting and compliance purposes. This is especially important if the contact has existing invoices, bills, or transactions connected to them. With the contact selected, go to the top of the contacts list and click the Archive button. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to archive the selected contact. Carefully review the name to make sure you've selected the correct one. Then click Archive again to confirm. Once confirmed, the contact will be removed from your active contacts list and moved into your archived contacts. If you ever need to view archived contacts, you can do that by adjusting the filter settings within the Contact section. This is helpful if you accidentally archive someone or need to reference old details later. Now, here's a quick tip. If the Archive button is not available, it usually means the contact has active transactions that prevent changes, or you may not have the correct user permissions. In that case, check your user role under Settings or review whether there are outstanding invoices or bills linked to that contact. And that's it. That's exactly how you delete, or more accurately, archive a contact in Xero. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. Keeping your contacts list clean and organized makes reporting easier, improves accuracy, and helps prevent mistakes when creating invoices or bills. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero accounting guides. I post step-by-step tutorials designed to save you time and make accounting software simple to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.